Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shikhar Kanti. In this video, we try to download Python and install Python. Okay, for that I will go to Chrome. Here I will type as www.python downloads again slash, okay, enter. It is here www.python.org/downloads. Downloads is here. This is in this page. What we need to do is we have to go to downloads. Windows is there. 3.8.5. I will click on this 3.8.5. okay, click on this 3.8.5. it is downloading, downloaded here in this the left bottom corner, the light software, this one downloaded. To install this one, just click on this. I'll click on this. I'll get this page, install Python 3.8.5 and install now is there, customize installation is there, and below that two boxes are there. Install launcher, this is already checked one. Second box is there, add Python 3.8 to path is there. We have to check this box here because this sets the path. Okay, I will check this box first. After checking this box, I will go to install now. I will click on this install now, click. Okay. Clicking on this, it says ask something, do you want to allow the app to change to your device? Yes, I will give yes here. Yeah, it is installing. Setup progress. Setup progress. Installing. Just wait just 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yeah, setup was successful. I'll close this. Close this. Then to find that Python, I'll go to search button here, or you can start from, you can find out here itself from start button. I'll go to search button. In this search button, I'll type as Python, Python, Python. I am getting some files here. Python 3 idle, Python 3.8, 3.8.5 exe, manuals, model, something. I need this one here. That is on this we work on Python. For this, what I do here is I will pin to taskbar. Just right click on this. Pin to taskbar is there. Click on this one. Yeah, it has now come to this point here. Okay. Now I will close this. Click on this IDLE. Okay, click on this. It will open the page. This is the page. On this we can work. Okay, so here this is the place where we work our commands. Some commands. Let me try some commands here. Say x equal to 2, enter. Okay, y equal to 3, enter. Z equal to 4, enter. Okay. Now just type x plus y, enter. This is giving the value of x and x plus y. X minus y, enter. Okay. X star y, multiplication of x and y. X star y, enter. This is 2 into 3, 6. X divided by y, x slash y, enter. I am getting 0.666. X double star, this is for power. X double star y, that is 2 raised to 3 is 8 is the answer. I am getting 8. But here cap is not used for raising the powers. This will not work, but instead of that we can work this also. POW, power of 2 comma 3, 2 raised to 3, power bracket open 2 comma 3 bracket close, enter. This will be equal to 8. And we have B by A is equal to B by A, enter. B by A, trace by most recent calls, B is not different. Okay, B is not there, we have different X and Y is now. I will write here Y by X, enter. Okay, 1.5 is there. To make this as integer, I will go for int, B slash A, B slash B by A, answer will be 1. Okay, again I am using A and B is here, X and Y I have to use. Y, this is my X. Okay, this is equal to 1. And what is the X by Y? X slash Y is equal to 0.6. What is the integer part here? Integer part is equal to 0. So that is, if I give int here, int X by Y, X slash Y bracket close, enter, this is equal to 0. And this can be obtained by taking like this also, X double slash Y. Instead of taking X int of X by Y, I can go for X double slash Y. This gives the integer part. Okay, discard this term after the decimal point, right? And as usual, X percent Y is nothing but the remainder obtained when X is divided by Y. X is equal to 2, Y equal to 3 is there, then 2 is the remainder. If I go for Y percent X, then this must be, I think, Y is 3, X is equal to 2. 1 is the answer here. 1 is the remainder when 3 is divided by 2. Okay, so 1 is the answer here. These are all similar to that of our Scilab and Maxima. And here these are the input statements. Directly we can assign the values to the variables here. So output statements are, print is the output statement here. I will write print open bracket close bracket, within that write X, no quote, nothing. Okay, just if you enter here, I am getting its value is equal to 2. Or we can add the strings also here. That is, I can write this as in single quote. If I write A equal single quote close comma, here if I write the variable name bracket close. How this looks is, whatever we write within the single quote, that will be printed. Then comma, in this place the value of A is printed. No, it is not A, it is X. Okay, X in this place, X is printed here. Okay, I'll write X here. So the difference between this print statement and this print statement is just it prints 2 here. Here it prints X equal to 2. Just if I enter, I am getting X is equal to 2. Whatever you write this codes, that will be printed. So in this you can type anything here. Then if we run this, enter this one, we will get whatever the written in the codes, it will be printed. So I am getting this. Okay, this is the print statement. And we have strings also. So A is equal to, say, we have to write the string in quotes here. A, B, C, D, single quote close, and B equal to, in single quotes or in double quotes, both must be single or both must be double quotes. A, B, C, D, I will write E, F, G, H. Okay, single double quote close here. Then A equal to A, B, C, D, B equal to E, F, G, H. Suppose if I write one single quote and one double quote, this is a double quote, then it will show an error here. So this is an error. So therefore, I have to write C is equal to either double quotes, both double quotes or both single quotes. I, J, K, L, double quote open, double quote close. Okay, enter. I am getting C is equal to this one. Now, if I write A plus B, enter, what I am getting here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So that is addition of two strings, means first it puts that string A, then it puts the string B. I can write A plus B plus C. This will be A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I think. Okay, I am getting this one here. And suppose if we write a minus b, I think there is no meaning in a minus b. Okay, so if you enter, you will get the error. Similarly, a star b, also we get some error here. Similarly, a slash b, here also we get some error here. A double star b, here also we get some error here. But if you go for say something like 2 star a, this has some meaning. That means we are telling that write a twice, that is ABCD, ABCD. So this is our ABCD, ABCD. You can write 2 star a plus say 3 star b, 3 star b. So twice a will be printed, thrice b will be printed. Enter, if I enter, I am getting say ABCD, ABCD, and b EFGH, EFGH, EFGH. So that is here. If a and b are strings, then a plus b is defined, and multiplication of any constant quantity is also defined. Now you go for another command which is the say list here. Say a equal to, for list I will go for like this, a equal to square bracket, open square bracket, here we write 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, I will close this square bracket, enter. So this is accepted. So here nothing is shown like this. If it is wrong, whatever we have given is command is wrong, or if it is an illegal command, then it will show an error in red, that it is back, moves, reset, some error it will show. Nothing is showing, the cursor is blinking, means whatever we have given here, that is legal one. Okay, so this is the list here, and the indexing of the list start from 0. This is 0th place, first place, second place, and the third place. This is A0 value, A1 value, A2 value, A3 value. Let me check. A square bracket 0, square bracket close, enter. I am getting 10. So that is, this is in the 0th place. A, next A, 1 bracket close, enter. This is in the first place. First place means this is equal to 2 here. And A, 3, 2, enter. So this is our 30. What about A, 3 bracket close, this is equal to 40. Okay. Now if similarly if I write A within bracket 5 bracket close, enter. Is there any meaning in writing A5? No, because here that place is not there, means definitely we get an error here. Okay, if I enter, I am getting an error because this is a list index out of the range, right? So that is here. I can go up to 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 here, not even 4. Okay, that is also out of range. Now if I put like this, say -1, negatives, -1, enter, I am getting this is equal to 40. Okay, 40 means 40, this 40 is the last one here, that is here. A -1 it takes from the last one. Then A -2 may be 30. Let me verify. A -2 bracket close, enter. I am getting this value here. What about A -3? That previous one. A -3 is equal to 20. What is A -4? A -4 equal to, this is equal to 10. What about A -5? Again this will be out of range, no? Okay, if I type A -5, then I am getting an error. That is here. A, this place value can be, if it is positive, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Or if you start the negative, means that is from the right, you can give -1, -2, -3, -4. So 4 values are there. Okay. And next I will go for round command. Yeah, we go for another command here, say round command. ROUND. Before going round command, some operations are there in this list here. So what is A here? A equal to, yeah, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. I want to add some elements to this one. For that the command is A dot append will write say 50 bracket close, enter. This is legal one. Now if I type A, what I am getting? So see here, the 50 is added to the existing A, and 50 is added at the end here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40 was there. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is added to the end, to the right here. One more term we want to add here. A dot append, append bracket says 60. Okay, 60. So this will be included here at the end. I think we get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, again I type A here, enter. I am getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So append is a command which appends the value, which gives the value, whatever we give in this bracket, at the end here. Suppose we want to insert somewhere here. So for that I have to use another command that is known as insert command. A dot insert. When I am inserting means I have to give the place value here. That is at the 0th place or 1 place, or 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose you want to insert here after 20. I want to insert something. Say 25. What is the place here? This is 0. This is 1, this is 2, no? So that is A2. I have to insert at second place means I have to write that place value 2, comma, whatever we are inserting, say 25, I want to insert at this place. Then bracket close, now enter. Okay, this is taken here. Now again if I type A, enter, I am getting 10, 20, see. This 25 is inserted at this place here, place value 2. So 25, then remaining thing are as it is. So that is here. If you use append command, then that number will be added at the end. That's right. And if you want to insert in between, then we have to give this insert command, but here you have to give that place value. Okay. Now one more command, A dot, this is inserting, A dot POP, A dot pop, POP bracket open bracket close. This is 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60 is our fresh A, latest A. Now if I enter, what happens? That is 60 is deleted from this one. Okay, pop command is to delete. If I again enter A, what is my fresh A? It must be 10, 20, 25, 30, 40 up to 50. Okay, so this is our 50. So that is pop is the command, open and close. Then it removes the number from the list from the end. You want to remove something which is within this one. Say for example, if you want to delete this 25 here, what is the place value here? This is 0, 1, 2. So that we have to give this as A dot POP, give the place value 2. Okay, that means 25 is deleted. Enter. Yeah, 25. That is 25 is deleted. This is my fresh A. So that is here. Pop is the command which removes. Right? Pop is the command which removes. And append is the append and insert are the commands which include the value. Append includes at the end, but insert includes in between. Okay. And some more commands are there. A dot remove, M-O-V-E, just if I give open and close, if I enter, so I am getting some error, right? Now I will type A dot remove, bracket, I want to remove something here, so that is 30. If I write 30, okay, A dot remove 30, enter, yes, no errors here. That means 30 is deleted. Now check me, let me check, 30 is deleted. Suppose if you write A dot remove remove 30. Again 30 if I write. Is 30 is there in that list? No. So that means definitely I must get an error here. So if I enter, I am getting an error. So that is remove is the command which removes. Here you have to give the number here. Now let me check for this a dot. One more thing, remove the bracket a 0 bracket close. So a dot remove a0. What is a0 here in the latest a? 10 is there. Let me check whether this works out or not. I will enter. Yeah, there is no problem here. So that is a0 is deleted. What is a0? 10 is deleted. Either you have to give directly this number or you can give its reference here. So that a0, a1, a2, a3. This is the command which removes. Okay. And next I will go to another command. These are the append, insert, pop and remove commands. I will go to another command, round. We are rounding in numerical analysis. Say 2.6 I will take. If I round this 2.6, what is the answer here? It must be equal to 3. Okay, just enter. It is equal to 3. Now if we write round 2.51, just above this half, 51, enter. Again I am getting this is equal to 3. Now if I write round, again instead of typing, if the same command is there, what we need to do is just click on this one, the cursor comes here, then enter. If I enter this one, then the same command will come here. No need to type once again here. Small commands are there, you can type. Otherwise, you can take from the previous command. Just enter here. Press the enter button. I am getting round here. Just you can edit here. Here we can't edit. So therefore, we have to take that command to here. This is 51. I will make this as just below 5. 4, 9. Okay. Enter. This is equal to 2. So more than 5 it goes to the next integer. Less than 5 is there this number after decimal point, then this will be kept as it is. Now if you go for say round say 2.5. This is exactly 5. Not greater than 5, not less than 5. Then if I enter, I am getting its value is equal to 2. So that is previous this integer kept as it is. If this is exactly 5, what happens if round say 3.5 bracket close, enter. Here I am getting it is equal to 4. So that is here in these two cases we have 5 is there, exactly 5 is there. But here if this is even, that this integer will be kept as it is. If this is odd, 1 is added to this one, then this is discarded. See here, if this is even, this will be discarded without adding. This will be kept as it is. If this is odd, then this is discarded and 1 is added to this one. This is about the round command. Okay, I will stop here. Next I will come to the next video for the next part. Okay, thank you.